Hi. Welcome to Good Vibes channel, and this is George. You may wonder why it is necessary for you to become a modern warrior, and adopt a warrior mentality. What's wrong with relaxing, and enjoying life? While there is nothing wrong with relaxing for the sake of saying, and while we all need to relax, and rest from time to time, there are many scenarios where our gentle, domesticated nature disappoints us. Take any situation that requires a quick and decisive decision. Few of us are more compelled to make life and death decisions in important situations, so many of us have to struggle with the simplest and easiest decisions. We are as if paralyzed when we are forced to choose what we want to eat. We delay important decisions at work, to the detriment of our career, often resulting in the loss of a lot of money. We stay in relationships and jobs where we are not happy, and often end up losing the respect of the people around us, simply because we are unable to make decisions and act decisively. This is a perfect example of a situation where it would be very beneficial to have a tougher and more warlike mentality. In this way it can be cultivated. Why the delay? In order to help you make faster and more effective decisions, it is time to think about what might be causing you to fall behind. For many of us, the answer to this question has something to do with fear of making the wrong decision. In some cases, it's obvious. We may be afraid to decide what stocks to invest in or what job offer to accept, because we don't want to bear the consequences of making a mistake, getting stuck in a job we hate, and/or losing huge amounts of money. But many of us also have difficulty making decisions about smaller things. For example, what to eat for dinner. Maybe your wife or husband asked you what you wanted, and you said, "I don't know." Your response, "Why don't you make a decision?" Does this sound familiar? The problem is that you probably don't want to be responsible for the mistakes you make, and for your partner's annoyance. If you make the wrong decision, and they don't like dinner, it might put them in a bad mood. You might also be very polite, and give them a choice. How to make decisions quickly, and with more authority. So, how can we overcome this weakness, and make decisions more quickly? The answer is simple. You learn to accept the consequences, and take responsibility for them. This means that you can offer to let the other person make a decision once and for all, and then decide. Accept the fact that sometimes you will make a mistake. Accept that you may be in a bad mood. But don't hesitate, just accept the consequences. The same goes for choosing a job, choosing a project, deciding to end a relationship. Review the likely outcomes of each decision simply and quickly. One is bad, one is worse. Stop worrying that you are wrong, and tell yourself that you can handle this scenario, if it happens again. Thanks for watching. And, please, like, share, and comment.